thing under the chin of the...
Yeah.
It's like the gobbler under the chicken's neck. They have blueberry. When we went to the Gay Pride, remember they gave us a free takoyaki?
Oh, yeah. The free takoyaki.
I already drank my juice.
I still have a lot.
So many chunks. We'll come back and get a coffee in a minute. These are all buy one, get one.
You're looking at again at the buy one take one shop.
Why is 150 but buy one get one is 90? It's not really, you don't take one for free. It's not just a discount.
He's doing math again in his brain.
Enjoy this music again, so I hope so guys you like it.
Lots of hello.
Yeah. But another queen. Another queen.
to choose from.
Another takoyaki in here. Corn dogs. The one that you like. Let me ask. Ilang corn dog, te?
sure I wasn't paying too little. Thank you, ma'am.
You took a picture of this.
Okay, so you want to go get a chair somewhere?
Guys, we'll be back and we'll just take a picture of the thing.
Yeah. Honestly, it's pretty good.
For 25 pesos.
Yeah.
Tastes good with the mayo and the ketchup too. The ketchup is good.
So good. Now let's enjoy. I got 2 more hot dogs. They were good. She's out getting barbecue right now. We'll wait and see what she gets. Here's the mystery. We also got some Nutella iced coffee. Can't get a good picture. Oh, it tastes good. It's like chocolate coffee, which makes sense. Okay, bye.
Another barbecue.
What did you get?
Huh?
What did you get?
One of these. One. And then one of this one. I thought this is pork.
Is that the like thing under the chin of the?
Yeah.
It's like the gobbler under the chicken's neck, and some isao and barbecue. Looks good.
They even give us like 4 hands. But I think it's smaller for you.
Yeah.
It's very small.
Oh, it's on a stick. I'll just use my hand. We're not eating rice. It'll be fine. There's your coffee. I tried it. It's pretty good. Wow, that barbecue is good. It's very salty. It's like they marinated it in teriyaki or something. And for 10 pesos, I can't complain. It's very busy tonight. This is the first night of the market, the night market. The Lapu Lapu night market. Let's try some isao.
Very small.
The glove?
Now it fits. Cute dog.
There's a little puppy walking through.
Must be the mom.
Oh yeah.
Even got you some chili.
The lady at the corn dog booth did not remember me.
What? Really?
I was like, I'll take 2 more. She's like, what?
They might have think like it's a different American guy. Yeah, it's salty.
Isn't it?
They marinated this one before
It's really good.
because it was so red. Should see her face. Like, big mouth.
It's really good.
And for worth 25 pesos.
Yeah, it's like 2 for 90 cents.
I think he was like trying to do the route that we did.
to see us. We went to a pageant they were having.
And someone is singing in front. We can see it. Because it's so dark in here. It's like a concert.
Yeah, it's like a concert, but it's nice. It's aircon.
Yeah.
And it's free, so you can't beat that. There wasn't much to do there except get food.
Yeah.
So we got a lot of food and drinks. And now we're gonna like see this for a bit and probably go home.
Yeah, we're just gonna sit in here for a while, just for the aircon, and listening to the guys singing.
Yeah, it's like a heartthrob. Like I can tell he probably sings good, but the acoustics are so bad.
Yeah.
Because the Philippines likes to play their music at 100% volume.
That you have to listen all to the voice rather than with the music, right?
Yeah. All right, bye guys. Thanks for watching.